The Aihand Cordless Pressure Washer is an incredibly versatile tool, boasting a powerful 986-pound force per square inch motor that makes outdoor cleaning tasks a breeze. With its ability to draw water from virtually any source, this portable washer is perfect for those who need flexibility and convenience while tackling tough cleaning jobs. The washer is powered by a reliable 21-volt 4.0 ampere-hour battery, ensuring up to 45 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. It includes a versatile 6-in-1 spray nozzle, offering multiple spray patterns that cater to various cleaning needs, from gentle rinsing to powerful scrubbing. Thanks to its lightweight design at just 2 pounds, the Aihand pressure washer is easy to carry and store, making it ideal for quick and efficient cleaning on the go. Offering a 12-month warranty and a range of accessories, this pressure washer is a practical choice for both home and garden cleaning tasks.